ಹೇ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಶಿವಮ್ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದಾದಂತ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಲಾ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಡ್ capital. Next question, call money received in advance is called dash. Answer calls in advance. Next question, dash is minimum number of members in a public company. Answer 7. Next question, dash is minimum number of members in private company. Answer 2. Next, profit on forfeiture share is transferred to dash account. Answer capital reserve account. Next question, equity shareholders are dash. Options: A creditor, B owners, C customers of the company, D none of the above. Answer owners. Next, shares can be forfeited for dash. Options: A non-payment of call money, B failure to attend meeting, C failure to repay the loan to the bank, D the pledged of shares or a security. Answer A non-payment of call money. Next question, maximum number of members in a private company is dash. Option A 40, B 200, C 70, D no limit. Answer B 200. Next question, if applications are received for more number of shares than the offered to the public, it is called dash. Option A less offers, B under subscription, C over subscription, D more offers. Answer over subscription. Next question, if a shareholder fails to pay call money is called dash. Options: A calls unpaid, B calls in advance, C calls in arrears, D none of above. Answer calls in arrears. Next question, share of public company are transferable. State this statement is true or false. Answer true. Next question, forfeiture of share is cancellation of the rights of the shareholders. State this statement is true or false. Answer true. Next question, what is a joint stock company? Answer joint stock company is an association of persons formed to carry a business with view to earn profit, having common seal. Next question, state any two features of joint stock company. Answer first one, company is voluntary association of persons. Next, it is compulsory to register under Companies Act. Next, it is legal and artificial person. Next question, what is oversubscription? It is a situation when application for more shares of a company are received than the number of offered to the public for a subscription. It is called oversubscription. Next question, what do you mean by calls in arrears? Calls in arrear means when a shareholder does not pay the allotments or calls amount on time. It is known as calls in arrear or unpaid calls. Next question, what is calls in advance? Calls in advance means when shareholders pays the allotment or call amount in advance or before the due time. It is known as calls in advance. Next question, what is authorized capital? Answer, authorized capital is the maximum amount of capital which a company is authorized to raise from the public by issue of shares. Next question, what do you mean by issue of share at premium? Answer, if issue price is more than the face value of share, it is called issue of share at premium. Next question, what do you mean by forfeiture of share? Answer, the cancellation of the rights of the shareholders on the basis of shares held by him for non-payment of allotment or call money is known as forfeiture of share. Give the meaning of interim dividend. Answer, an interim dividend is a payment made to shareholders before company's annual general meeting and release of final financial statements. Next question. What is buyback of shares? Answer. Buyback of shares means purchase of its own shares by a company. Next question. What is meant by under subscription of shares? Answer. When the number of shares applied by the public is less than the number of shares offered for subscription of shares is called under subscription of shares. Next question. What is meant by security premium reserve? Answer. Security premium reserve is the excess amount charged by a company for issuing securities over its face value. Security premium reserve is equal to issue price minus face value.